What is going on YouTube? We are back. I have my mic on. Hopefully you can hear me because it's kind of noisy in the backyard. We have a whole box of Lucha Libre masks. Should be 9. Should be a mystery mask. I don't even know what I've got. And there's a mask that I've been dying to get for months. Is in this very box. Here we go. Okay. Let's get this open. And we shall see what we have. Nice little cutter. Ooh. Little sticker. Okay. First up is Party Mask. Just because I already have the other two and I wanted the third one. Rey Mysterio. Party Mask. Mexico. Look at that. World Cup 2026. Ooh, yes. So I had to get that because I already have the other two. The Dr. Wagner and Mystico. But how cool is that? Rey Mysterio. I mean, obviously it's just a cheapy party mask. Everything else should be semi-professional. There we go. Let me put that one down there. Oh, I just remembered another one that's in there that I forgot about. Okay, here's a clue for the next one. Oh, look at that. Dr. Wagner Jr. in the Mexican colors. How good is that? That's amazing. See, people are cutting the grass next door, so hopefully you can hear me and not them. But yeah, how good is that? Like I said, semi-professional. That was so cool. Look at that. Wow. Okay, next one. Let's move it along, shall we? Move it along. Okay, there's my grail one there. We'll save that one for a little bit. Okay. We have Villano Jr. I've already got like 3 Villano masks already. But you can never have too many. So we got Villano Jr. Oh! And then we have the other Villano. Whoa! 2 Villanos. And then this one is the mystery mask. Semi-professional. And I can't think who that is. I know, but I can't. That's my mystery mask, but I can't think of the name of the person. If you know, write in the comments. Mystery mask. Okay. How many we got left? Okay. Oh, forgot about all these ones. Forgot about all these ones. Okay. I'm saving my grail one to the end, but this one, look at this. Ooh, Penta Joker mask. How good that is. Semi-professional. Penta Joker mask. Very cool, very cool. Okay. The next one is the same mask, but in two different colors. Look at that. How cool is that? Dirty Dom in the white. Dirty Dom in the black. How good is that? You saw the Fleet Room coming at the WrestleMania 42. Both got like little Mohicans, which kind of makes me laugh. But I mean, that is very cool. Dirty Dom. And I think we just have one more mask left. Dirty Dom. There's one. There's the other one. Okay. And then last. Just one last. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. We have another one. Oh, that feels so tight. I'm never going to wear that, but it's cool anyway. Look at this Mr. K. I bet you've never seen this Mr. K before. Forgot about this one. With the also like Mexican soccer. How good is that? The thing on the back. That's no way going to fit over my head. Probably not anyway. But yeah, look at that. Very cool. Fly in my ear. Yeah, look, you can see the Mexican flag. Don't know what that says. Maybe it's upside down. But yeah, that's a very cool Mystico. Semi-professional. Okay, here we go. The last one. Miguel. You ready for this? Where is it? How good is this? LA Park. Been trying to get one of these for a long, 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 long time. That's my grail right there. So good. Okay, Mr. K did fit. Dirty Dom. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe, write a comment. What's your favorite mask? I will see you on the next one.